You can now go over to the left-hand side and you can see that it says Planner. You can either go ahead and tap on Planner, or you can go ahead right at the bottom over here. In the main part of the page, it says Create Post, Create Reel, Create Story. You can click on any one of those. You'll end up in a page like this. Right at the top, it says Create Post, as you can see right over here. And what we're going to do is we're going to upload a video. Now, a video, of course, is the only type of media that you would need a thumbnail for. So we're going to go ahead, create our post, upload the video, and now we have to add a title and an optional description, and then we get thumbnail. Now, what you can do is choose from some of the video frames. As you can see over here, there are some sort of pre-selected video frames, and we don't really want to go ahead and do that. The next option we have is to actually physically choose a frame ourselves, and we don't want to do that either. What we actually want to do is go ahead and tap on Upload Image. And what will happen now is it'll open up your desktop. You can now choose the appropriate thumbnail from your device. As you can see right over here, I have chosen this click here to subscribe icon. And once you are done,